Hi guys, and welcome to our video for today, the 14th of April 2026. Let's go through the watch list, what is the new stocks, and how do we trade them for today. So SNAL caught this one over 1.2, currently at 1.35. However, I did get stopped out on remaining shares in this one after making around a 10% move. So basically 1.2 to 1.389%, around there. That was my trade. Getting filled around 1.18, which wasn't bad. But remaining shares got stopped out. For continuation on this one, obviously we've broken out and retested the 1.2 area and broken through it, obviously, and now looking for gradual continuation towards 1.5 and a break beyond 1.5 now for a day trade. Would see it continue to at least 8% and hit around 1.62 to 1.65 definitely on this one on SNAL. However, if we are to lose 0.8 in this one, I do think it's done. Be beneath the Bollinger Band Center and also fail a double bottom here from this original candle here. And major support at 0.8. I do have a bad cough, by the way, here in the UK, so apologies for any interruptions. And yeah, we're watching this over 1.5 for continuation for 6 to 8% towards 1.62 to 1.65 for my entry point. And what do we need to hold this overnight? Let's have a look. So a 4-hour candle close over 1.2 should see it continue towards 1.5. If we've already done that, which looks like we're about to do now, a 4-hour candle close by end of today or end of tomorrow over 1.5. We'll see us continue towards $2 on this one on SNAL. So around a 20 sort of 5% sort of move, 25-30% sort of move on this one with a 4-hour candle close over 1.5. And the same one on the daily time frame. So a daily candle close of 1.5 we'll see us continue towards 2. And yeah, once we break over 2, potentially looking at 2.3 also. So yeah, let's focus one step at a time. 4-hour candle close of 1.5. And continue towards $2 in this one. It's very volatile, and I think the best option is for a day trade. So push beyond 1.5 now. We'll see it hit 1.62 to 1.65 for an 8% first target. And yeah, let's just focus on a day trade for this one. It's very volatile for a swing trade in my opinion. But again, if you want to hold this overnight, a 4-hour candle close over 1.5 would be good. So Mimi over here. Let's look on the 5-minute time frame for a day trade. So a 3 touches beside the wedge there, and 3 touches beside the wedge here. We can manipulate it just like that for a mature enough consolidation. Again, apologies to have a bad throat. So a push beyond 0.6 in this one should see it run at least 6 to 8%, and that would mean a first target of around 0.65 to 0.6 with a break of 0.6. I might be watching this one closely. I was watching this in live trading. I already had a green trade, so didn't feel the need to take any more. I'm trying to go slow this week. So push beyond 0.45 to see it hit my first target of 0.5, and it went all the way through it to 0.6 essentially. So there's no reason why it can't break 0.6 and hit 0.65 to 0.66. Also, a loss of 0.45 in this one would mean it comes down to 0.35. So I wouldn't want to see it lose 0.45. It would mean a big reaccumulation, and below 0.45, I am bearish on this one. Mimi. So going to the 4-hour time frame, if we want to hold this overnight, what do we need? So end of today by 4 p.m. Eastern time, what do we need? A 4-hour green candle close over 0.6. Currently just looks like a green candle rejecting from the 0.6 resistance, and a green candle close over 0.6 should see us continue towards 0.8, the next resistance, for around a 25-30% sort of move by the time we got filled, which looks good on Mimi. Going to the daily time frame here, and again, if you lose 0.45 on this, generally we are bearish. Daily candle is more important in my opinion because we could just currently reject and fail to build upon the 60 EMA here, which is currently engulfing the death cross. So once we get over this 60 EMA and also a daily close over 0.6, hopefully in the same candle, we should actually continue up towards 0.8 and potentially $1 over the next few days. So a daily close over 0.6 would definitely see us hit 0.8. So focusing this for a swing trade. So again, daily close over 0.6 will see us continue towards 0.8. And with that, once we get over 0.8, we're looking at $1. So generally a 55% sort of peak we're looking at potentially. So maybe we could sell 50% around here, 25-30%, and then sell 40% even higher up around $1, like 0.98, just to be safe. So that's Mimi, looks good. I'll say SNAL looks the best for a day trade. Mimi looks the best for a swing trade right now. Roller, currently a big red candle in the daily time frame. It's not a great first impression, but let's go to the 5-minute time frame. So yeah, I was watching this one over $10. It's unfortunately been a massive downtrend for today. and it's getting further away from $10. So maybe a rebreak of 8.5 would give it some hope. But to be honest, if we lose 7.8 on this one, I do think we're coming back down to 7. And if we lose 7, we're done completely. So I'd be careful on this beneath 7. A loss of 7, in my opinion, means this stock is done completely. They wouldn't want to be in it at all. So that's ROLR, roller. Don't like it at all for a day trade. Swing trade, look, I mean, to hold this overnight, you need more than just a red 4-hour candle. Maybe you can hope for a bounce off 7, but I don't have all my faith in it. I would just avoid this completely. To be honest, just a big red sell-off and big red candle. And if we lose 7, we're completely done. So I would avoid this completely, which is rare for these videos. Usually you can find a little trade. Well, I think I would avoid this completely. It's just sold off to the tune of around 30% for today, which is really bad and not good. So SNAL over here, obviously looking good for a day trade. I'm pushing up towards 1.65 on this one. So as you can see, it does work. All our trades, you saw it live. So main watch, I guess, now is Mimi over 0.6 for a day trade. And again, a 4-hour candle close over 0.6 for continuation generally on Mimi. So that's the stocks for today, guys. Avoid ROLR unless it can break 8.5 or 10. And Mimi over 0.6 in the 4-hour and 5-minute. And SNAL, if you want to hold this overnight, a 4-hour candle close over 1.5 would be good. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Apologies for my throat. Hopefully it's better tomorrow. So thanks and catch you all later.